Words with English in Pashto meaning. Lesson. Lesson mean instruction. Dars yalwast. Presentation. Presentation mean offer. Randiz. Present. Present mean give. Warlandikawal. Warkawal. Formal. Formal mean official. Official. Rasmi. Introduction. Introduction mean presentation. Presentation. Pejandana ya pejangalvi. Hello. Hello mean greeting. It's a very common word. Hello mean greeting. Harkalai kawal. Hiraglastoyal. Beautiful. Beautiful mean nice. Kwalai. Pleased. Pleased mean happy. Khushala. Khwakh. Interact. Interact. Interact mean act together. Act together. Matakabil amal kawal. And the last one is scale. Skill mean ability. Ability. Maharat. So for more words and videos, subscribe our YouTube channel.